Hello guys, how are you? Do you know guys, I have a surprise box. Wow, look, so big. Okay guys, come on, let's open.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wow! So many toys! Okay guys, come on! Take it one by one! Whoa! Look! This is Ultraman! Wow! So big and so cool! Wow! Good!
Sounds like you're having a night like mine. Trying not to get blasted into dog food.
Okay guys, next I take it. Very strong. Do you know guys, what is this? This is Hulk. Wow, this is zombie Hulk.
Puny god.
Amazing. Okay, next. I take it. Wow, this is Batman. Ooh, very cool. Okay guys, next, look, wow, do you know what is this? This is a box, wow, wow, okay guys, take it, this is a mysterious box. Wow, look! Wow. Do you know guys, what is this? Wow! Look! This is Hulkbuster! Okay, let's open! Haha! So big! This is Hulkbuster! Wow! Amazing! Fantastic!
All right, everybody, stand down. Okay.
Okay, guys. Next, I take it. This is Carnage. So scary. Okay, next, I take it. Ha ha ha! This is Captain Marvel. Ooh, fantastic! Next! Ha ha ha! This is volcano! Wow! Cool! So big! Okay, next! I take it! Ha ha ha! Do you know, guys, what is this? Very strong! This is Thor! Wow! Good! Okay, next! I take it! Do you know, guys, what is this? Haha! This is Captain America! Ooh! Very good!
Guess he had a point.
Okay, next. I take it. This is Spider-Man. So cool.
So you figured out my identity. Congrats. Oh, just perfect. What other Spidey powers does he have now? Spidey sense. You're a chameleon too?
Thanks to your young Spider-Man friend.
Okay, next. I take it. Can you guys? What is this? This is Ant-Man. Ooh. So cool. Okay, I take it. Wow! So big. And very scary. Do you know, guys, what is this? This is Red Hulk. Wow! Very cool. Okay, next. Do you know, guys, what is this? I take it. Haha! This is Hulk. So cool. Okay, next. Okay, I take it. Wow! Do you know, guys, what is this? Can you guys? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ha ha ha! This is Thanos. Ooh, so cool.
Rage, fury, give in to them.
Very good. And so big. Okay, guys. I take it. This is Iron Man. Wow. Amazing. Okay, next. Wow, this is Spider-Man. Fantastic. Okay, this is last toy. Ooh. Do you know, guys, what is this? This is Iron Patriot. Look. Wow! Amazing! Wow! Okay guys, see you next time. Bye bye!